avoided putting up the lowest output this season. Their previous lowest output was 60 in a loss against UE. They were at 59 earlier, but after Espiritu's free throws, they have 61. Espiritu gets the basket with a foul. Beautiful. That keeps their hopes alive here with 48.9 seconds remaining. One free throw for Espiritu, and that will only give De La Salle just a 5-point advantage.
This is only a 2-possession lead right now for De La Salle. As in the last two previous trips offensively for them, they have not executed really well. And Espiritu with a 4-point cluster, aiming to make it 5 points in a row and push USD closer to this 6-point advantage of the Archers. And he does.
69-64. 5-point game and an offensive foul on T.Y. Tang. A break going the way of UST.
Big development here for the Tigers and against the Archers. Only a 2-possession lead, 69-64. And baseline inbound here for the Tigers.
12 points for Anthony Espiritu, an all-new season high for him. And they have possession after the offensive foul of T.Y. Tang, his fourth. Espiritu gets the leather, attacks. Mirza sets up for three. Yes! What a tournament for UST.
8-point cluster for the Tigers in the last 13 seconds. And with 38 seconds left, they're only down by 2 here, Eric. 69-67. As La Salle letting its guard down, opening the window of opportunity here for the Growling Tigers.
And before that shot by Mirza, he was struggling off the floor only with 5 points. That was Mirza's first 3-ball of the game. A good stop here gives USD a chance to keep it alive. There's the stop. Here comes Cortez and the Growling Tigers. They only need a basket to tie or a 3 to win. Espiritu. Ball is still alive. 9 seconds on the clock. Cortez ties us all up for the 6th time in the ballgame. 69 all with 6.7 seconds left.
Amazing. 10 points in less than 40 seconds for the Tigers. But it's still a last possession look here for De La Salle. Remember, we had an overtime game in round number 1 between these two teams.
That's right.
But here it's the turn of USD to play catch-up basketball. That's its wingman coming alive here in the final minute of this ball game.
Mirza, what a time for him to hit the 3.
Wow.
His first 3 of the game. He has 8 points, and we're tied at 69. De La Salle's last timeout is burned here by Coach Franz Pumaren as Cortez put in a basket to put us at 69 all.
You cannot underestimate the heart of a champion and a defending champions. Looking good. La Salle will have the final say here, Eric.
USD is on a 12-0 run in the last 1:43 of the game. There's the little USD Tiger Cub. And the La Salle crowd is stunned here at the Arenado Coliseum. They are speechless. And behind us, USD is celebrating as if they won the game already. But with 6.7 seconds remaining, La Salle has the ball and we're tied at 69 all, our 6th deadlock of the game.
Malayo JV Casio in this possession for De La Salle. still has one foul to give. Are the Growling Tigers?
Let's see what De La Salle is made of here. Open from the corner.
That's the best shot you could probably have. As Jimmy Castle created that shot for Manrahan. But like what we've had in Golden Budol, extra 5 minutes of action for these two teams.
It's never enough between LaSalle and UST to use up 40 minutes. First meeting was in overtime. It ended at 79 all, but in the second round, it ends at 69 all in regulation. We go into overtime after this break.